speed of light is faster than the speed of sound.
At the end, I think they shoot them all off that are on there. They just go.
They look like flowers.
That one looks like bees. It's over.
I think there's more.
Yeah, here's the finale. Yeah, this is the finale.
It smells like smoke.
Looks like it was coming straight towards us. Looks like a big flower.
It does look like a big flower, you're right. Wow. Dang, I got something in my eye.
Dude, they're going straight over my head.
Oh my gosh, they're coming down like rain.
They look way better in real life.
I know. I'm watching them in real life. I'm just holding the camera. Whoa, that's cool. Boo!
Another thing in my eye.
Oh, that's sweet.
Looks like fire.
Dude, you're so right. They look so much better in real life. They still look pretty awesome on camera.
Yeah. You say it looks like thousands.
Dude, this is gonna take up half my battery. It's been like 8 minutes. What do you think? No, no one can see you, Danny.
Really?
So, yeah. Yeah. Well, you're just blocking them now. Oh, that's pretty sweet.
Whoa, look at the sunset.
Oh, look at that. Whoa. Oh. Oh my. Boo! Bang! Called it. I predict this one will go boom. I was right. I was so right.
Dude, you can see fireworks in the distance.
Yeah, you're right.
You know who that's from? That's from my Uncle Andy. His next door neighbor shoots off fireworks. And
That was pretty sick. Whoa, those things are like flat.
dude, I like when they intersect like that.
Oh, that's, yeah, like that. That's cool.
Yeah. See, that is cool. It's like, sometimes they look like they're heading for your head.
I know, they look like they're coming at you.
I know. like,
Whoa, that's cool.
they look like they're intersecting and trying to cut me.
I love it. Boom.
Oh my gosh,
Again? There must be stuff coming out from the fireworks.
okay, like it. Dude, look at the smoke.
Whoa.
Oh, something went up my nose.
Up your nose.
This has been going on for like, wait, let me check. 15 minutes.
Oh yeah. That's what I thought. This is so worth waiting 3 hours. 30 minutes.
Whoa, it's actually been like 30 minutes. Oh my god. A helicopter's going in.
Oh my gosh, a helicopter.
Oh my god, a helicopter's going in.
Wow, stupid
Oh,
helicopter.
look at that, look at that.
It's going in.
Oh my god. That helicopter almost stopped.
Oh gosh.